Action.
Okay, hello, this is Madison with Echo Park Paper, and we have something very special to announce to you. First off, I want to say we are now in our 13th year at Echo Park. So we have two brands here at Echo Park. We're Echo Park and we are Cartabella. You know, Cartabella has that very textured, thick paper. Some people don't know that that's Echo Park, but that is us. We started Cartabella in 2012 and Echo Park in 2010. So we're 13 years, we're very excited. And over those 13 years, we've come out with a lot of collections. We used to start with one a month, and now sometimes, like this July, we have 6 collections. I'm going to talk to you just briefly about what we just released. So 2 days ago, we released our new July and August collections, which there are 2 falls, one from Cartabella, one from Echo Park. We had 2 Halloween collections, one from Cartabella, one from Echo Park, and we had 2 Christmases for July, and then we have 4 Christmases in August. So the thing I'm going to introduce, this special announcement, is about one of our collections for July. It's called The Magic of Christmas. So what we've done, so that AIR Retailers, Alliance of Independent Retailers, is a group of retailers, international and domestic, that we are very excited to be a member of the AIR group. So these retailers all together kind of collectively come up with special exclusives they can offer you. They go over different projects they can have, different events. I get to meet with them several times a year to show them the new products. We just love being part of the AIR group. And so they have come to Echo Park and asked us to put together a bundle. And that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. So this bundle is using one of our Christmas collections in July. It's called The Magic of Christmas. It's by Echo Park. It's a beautiful collection. It's got all the cool Christmas elements. It's Frosty and Rudolph and a perfect Santa. I love the Santa. Just so many cute elements. We're going to show you all of it. But why is this bundle so special? So we're putting it together as an exclusive bundle for AIR retailers. So you'll basically go to your AIR retailer and you'll be able to purchase this bundle. And what makes this different than all the other products you ever purchase from us is you see on our other products that we release project support. A store over here will have a project, or you'll look online for some projects. But what's going to be really cool about this is all of the AIR retailers, there's about 50 of them, they are all making projects using this bundle. They basically take this bundle and they make a bunch of projects, and they're going to make step-by-step instructions. They're going to post all these on a private group page that you will be able to access, and you'll be able to see all of the projects. So you'll buy something and you'll know instantly all the options that you have to make something. I mean, we sell a lot of products, and really it goes from the store to your home, and maybe you don't know what to do with it. Maybe it sits around, you're waiting for inspiration. Sometimes it may sit there for a while, but that's not going to happen with this bundle. What you're going to be able to do is have all the inspiration right there. And so that's what makes it so neat. So there's going to be a lot of push for it in the stores, a lot of project support. It's going to be awesome. So what you will do is you'll go to your AIR retailer and you will buy this bundle, and inside the bundle will be information, a sheet inside there that gives you access to the private page where you will be able to access all of these the projects that I spoke about. So let me show you what's in this bundle, okay? So in the bundle, again, this is The Magic of Christmas by Lori Whitlock. It's an Echo Park collection. You will get the collection kit, which in the collection kit has all of these papers. Now keep in mind, these are double-sided. You're only seeing one side here, but there is a B side, and you're going to be able to see 24 different designs on these papers. Also, what it has in it is it has the element sticker, which we can look at real quickly. This is a prototype, so it's actually not die cut like the sticker yet, but all kinds of elements there. You'll get the solids kit, which is up here. In the solids, you have the exact match for the collection. So no more looking for the cardstock that matches. You have the cardstock in here, and you get 2 of each sheet, and they're double-sided. So that's going to be in the bundle. Also in the bundle is our chipboard. So we have our chipboard accents, which are right here. It's a 6x13 chipboard. It's amazing, beautiful, made in the US. We also have the 6x6 pad in there, which is 24 double-sided sheets. It's basically all the pattern papers, all scaled down, perfect for card making, for projects. You'll get that. You'll also get the stencil, the 6x6 stencil, also made in the US. You'll also get a die, the Merry Christmas die with the trees. That is in that as well. It's also made in the US. Then we have the enamel dots. in this bundle. And then we also have the ephemera, which is 33 pieces of ephemera, including really cute elements and phrases and everything. So all of that is going to be in the bundle. But again, I cannot stress how important to you it is to know that you're going to have all these different projects that you can make with the bundle. And the stores are going to be challenged to make really cool projects, whether it's cards or layouts, mixed media stuff, and you're going to have all of that. And all you have to do is go to you can contact your retailer now. Contact your retailer right now and say, hey, listen, I want the bundle. I'm sure they'll take a pre-order for it. But it's going to start shipping to stores in mid-July, so really look for it kind of near the end of July to actually be in the store. But it's exciting. We're very excited to be part of it. It is our first bundle that we've done for them. And so, but I also want to thank you. As I said, we've 13 years in business, and we're only in business because we've had support from customers like you who've supported our brands and supported our competitors and supported the retailers and this whole industry. Thank you. You keep us in business. We really do appreciate you. And I hope you really enjoy it. Thank you very much.